Right, this should be a very short guide on how you actually set up a contract for Silentium. So obviously you find the private boards. First of all, when you see a contract request come in, let's say, just for the fun of it, we're going to be making Jason M's 8 Mulholland's Way. So you have to have this open. Start off with that. Open a new tab and go to private boards, contracts. This is where we have all our contracts. So Jason's M contract is a large land. So you go back, you find large protection areas. Actually, just for this one in particular, I think I'm gonna make it a house contract. Either way, I'm gonna post a new thread. I'm just gonna have this right there. Gonna make a new tab again that goes backwards. Contracts. Now I'll find the template for how to make a contract. Obviously, in the way bottom here, we have the actual code for it. So you just want to copy paste all of this. Put it right into here. Name it something. What was his thing was called 8 Mulholland Way. Let's not name it anything else. Now you want to start filling this out. I'm just going to be doing it for the heck of it. So today is the 5th August 2018, and I really prefer if we use the European way of doing this kind of stuff. Silentium, and his name was Jason Kennedy. That's the client. So now we have the name in for him. We have one that's going to be starting. There's another one here. A little bit stupid to have two of them, but we do. Go further down, you start seeing all this stuff. Obviously here we have primary contact. This is you. So I've put Owen Kirk, that's obviously my character. Going further down, we have the other persons. So Jason Kennedy. He doesn't have a rank. Usually you would ask the person what his RP email is. Just for simplicity, I'll just do J Kennedy at, I don't know. Oh, he's a member of SAC, so just that one. Great. And then the contact number. Now you can go back to the contract request, find this number right here. Boom, 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 boom. There you go. Moving down, the next part you want to go to is right below that name. It's how much money he's going to be paying, and if it's going to be year or monthly. So he's buying 6 months worth of large land protection for 50,000 monthly. So 50,000 per month. Blah 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 blah. Here we come to the active billing. So he wants security for property, so we remove all the other ones. Great. Just gonna take this, copy paste, to be agreed. And he bought 6 months. Actually, let's do security for property. 8 Mulholland Way. For the duration of 6 months. And then below we'll put $300,000. Let's just check. Yep, for 6 months. That's great. To be agreed, and we'll just put the total sum because he didn't buy more than that one thing. Put that here. Oh, not T. There you go. Now you have to assign it. It's going to be a little bit lengthy. Signature 138, name Owen Kirk, title. Usually I just put director here, so if you were to do it, you'll just put your rank really. And another date, we have ton of date, right? 05/08/2018. Now this is for behalf of the client, so you must actually have him RPly come to the office, or you come to him and have him roleplay signing a piece of paper. Once he has done that, you can go ahead and fill out his thingy. Sometimes they'll send you like a little picture of their signature and just put that here. Here we'll just put Jed Kennedy for now, for simplicity. Jason Kennedy. So yeah, please roleplay actually meeting up with them, collecting the money, as well as having them sign the contract. I forgot his rank. He's like something in the police. Lieutenant? Doesn't matter. I'll put it later, or just keep it empty. If you don't know their rank or title, just leave it empty. Of course, the date that he signed it. Usually this would RPly be the part that they sign, but obviously they don't have access to this, so you kind of have to do it. Now that's it. Everything else doesn't really matter, it's just formalities. Please go over your contract once more before posting it. This one would be done now, pretty much. Obviously, you would also have to do the in-game part of actually meeting up with him, collecting the money, having him sign the contract before you post this. Actually, let's just go ahead and post it, because there's a tiny thing more I want to do. So you post this, you go to contract again. Now we have an overview of all contracts. If possible, I'm not sure you guys can actually edit it. If not, just tell me to add it, okay? So just go on Discord and be like, hey Arky, add this thing please. So what I do here, I'm just gonna do it just because why not, is I write a Mulholland. Am I spelling it wrong? Mulholland, no. Way expires. And he bought 6 months. What's 6 months from now? Let's see. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 January. Day. Month. Year. Great. Able holiday. There we go. And now I hyperlink it. Hyperlink. I find the contracts. And I post the URL. Done. That's pretty much it. Of course, you shouldn't actually post any of this unless he has actually signed it and paid for it, but I just did this just to show you guys what to do. As you can see, now that I've posted it, I might as well go over it. Everything I put in is perfect. I don't hope this system is too confusing, but needs to pay. Oh, let's quickly edit that. There you go. Yeah, I don't hope it's too much of an issue. But I really like the way that we have more organized and structured our contracts, so we can also see who's paying what.